Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something incredibly exciting to share with you that could change your life this year. If you've ever dreamed of earning a passive income, waking up to more money in your bank account every day, and living life on your own terms, then you're in the right place. I want to talk to you about an amazing opportunity that has helped so many people, and it could be your chance to make a real shift in your financial future. I'm talking about Philip Johansen's 7-figure Accelerator program. Now I know what you're thinking. Sounds like another online program promising overnight success, right? But trust me, this one is different. Philip Johansen's approach is built on a fully automated business model that runs completely on autopilot. It's a system that's already brought him thousands of dollars each day, all without him needing to actively sell anything, create products, or even spend time working on complicated tasks. Imagine waking up every single day with an extra $1,000 to $5,000 in your bank account, and all of it is happening automatically. You're probably wondering, how is that possible? Well, that's exactly what Philip is going to reveal in his free training. He's going to show you step by step how you can replicate his success. And the best part is, you don't need any previous experience. You don't need to be an expert at sales, marketing, or technical skills. You don't even need to build a website or create a product from scratch. It's all done for you, and all you need to do is follow a simple process. Philip's method is a game changer for people who have felt stuck in the traditional 9-to-5 grind or who have tried other online business models and failed. There's no complicated tech stuff, no need to hire expensive teams or pay for costly ads, and you won't be spending all day writing blog posts or posting on social media. Instead, you'll be learning how to leverage viral traffic and how ordinary people are using simple strategies to generate huge profits with minimal effort. What's even better is that the program isn't just about making money. It's about creating a lifestyle. It's about having the freedom to work just a few minutes each day while enjoying life the way you've always wanted to. Imagine having the freedom to travel, spend time with loved ones, or just enjoy your hobbies without stressing about money. Philip's been able to do this, and he's showing you exactly how you can too. When Philip first started, he wasn't an expert. He didn't have a fancy marketing background or a large following. In fact, he put in countless hours of work trying to figure out how to make money online. At first, it wasn't easy. He barely made any money, but he kept at it. The difference is he didn't give up. Fast forward a year, and he was generating multiple 6 figures in revenue, all thanks to this automated business system. Now, his business runs almost entirely on autopilot, and he's earning thousands of dollars every single day while spending time doing what he loves, watching his favorite Netflix shows and hanging out with his family. Philip didn't just create this success for himself. He's now on a mission to help others unlock the same opportunities. That's why he created the 7-figure Accelerator program, where he's sharing all of his secrets, tips, and strategies to help you build your own automated business and achieve financial freedom. He's walking you through every step of the process in his free training, which is something you definitely don't want to miss. This isn't one of those get-rich-quick schemes. It's not a shortcut to success, but it is a proven blueprint that works. The key here is automation and the ability to scale your business with minimal time and effort. The program is designed to help you achieve success without the traditional struggles of starting a business. Philip has done all the hard work for you, and now he's showing you exactly how to replicate his results. You just need to take the first step and start learning. What I love most about this program is how it gives you the freedom to live life on your terms. It's not just about making money. It's about creating a lifestyle where you can truly enjoy your time and focus on what matters most. Whether that's traveling, spending time with family, or just having more freedom to do what you want without worrying about how to make ends meet. If this sounds like something you want to learn more about, I highly recommend checking out Philip Johansen's 7-figure Accelerator. It's free to sign up, and there's no reason not to take a look. You have nothing to lose and potentially a lot to gain. This could be the opportunity that finally helps you break free from the rat race and create the life you've always dreamed of. As always, thank you for tuning in. I hope this video has inspired you to take action and explore new possibilities for your financial future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below to let me know your thoughts. I'm excited for you to take the next step, and I can't wait to hear about your success stories. See you in the next video.